This is going to be a super short video, but I think I should show you this now so you know where the button is in the spreadsheet program. You're going to notice sometimes when you're typing stuff, when you type in a cell and that cell isn't big enough, you can see how it spills over into the cell that comes next. And then in this cell, you know, you've got some writing, but then you don't get to see all this writing. How can you make it so you can see all your text? This is a really simple feature here. Just select your cell and over here, text wrapping. By default, it says overflow, which means just keep going to the right, but you can set it to wrap. And so you can see there, it fixes it. It will make that cell taller, but who cares? It's good. Now you can see all the text. If you want this to happen everywhere in your spreadsheet, you could just go select all by clicking the top left corner here, and then you could just say the same thing. You could say switch to wrapping, and now they're all being wrapped. Clip clips it. It doesn't go over into the next cell at all. But anyways, just thought I'd throw that out there.